Hello guys, you are welcome to today's tutorial. Today I will show you how to make a simple flyer which you can use to wish someone a happy birthday, or your dad a happy Father's Day, or mom happy Mother's Day, or you can also use to wish somebody congratulations. So let's first of all select the paper size we want to use. So you click on File, go to New, or you can simply press Ctrl N on the keyboard. Now here you can name the project, or you can leave it and name it when you are saving. So I want to use an A4, so the size, the width and height, everything. Now the color mode, will just leave it in RGB, so everything is okay. So click on OK. Now click on File, go to Place. So okay, so I'll use this image. Nice. Now click on the mark here to remove the background of the image. Right click on the image on the layer side, click on rasterize layer. This gives you access to do anything, to edit, to change the image color and all the likes, to even make it black and white. Now to clear the background, click on the magic wand tool on the tool side, or W. You can just press W. This gives you access. So now click outside where you want to delete, so click on it to select the background, press backspace, and this removes the background. Ctrl D to deselect, then just press the move tool or V. Now let's copy this image so we can make one black and white, and then we'll make one original. So just press Ctrl J on the keyboard, Ctrl J, and you notice on the layer side that a copy of the image has been created. So you can just press drag and you see that a copy has been created. Now so we'll leave one in this state, and then let's flip this one. So let's flip one of the images. So to do that, click on Edit and then go to Transform, Flip Horizontal, yes, or you can just press Ctrl T on the keyboard and then you right click. It will give you the options, and then you can flip horizontal as well. So I'll just move it, yeah, for us to see. So this is okay. So let's make this image black and white and then send it to the background. So to make this image black and white, just click, select it, go to Image and then Adjustment, select black and white. Automatically the window that opens has some default settings which make your image black and white. So if you are okay with what you see, you can just click OK. So I'll just use the default settings. Okay, now this image is black and white. I want to send this image to background, and this is layer arrangement. So come to the layer side, click on Hold and then drag it to where you want to position it. This sends the image backwards. So now I want to increase the size of the black and white image. Okay, so let me just rename them. So I'll rename this original. Just double click and then type the name. So I'll rename it original. Okay, original. Then rename this black and white. Okay, now let's increase the size of this. So hold Shift and then you drag the edge so that it will be, the size will increase proportionally. Okay, I think this is okay. So click on OK. Now let's push this to the side a bit. Okay, so let's drag this to this side a bit, then okay. All right, now let's see, let me increase. Okay, I think this is okay for now. Now let's add some background to the image. So you still have to place, so go to file again, place, so place, yeah. Now let me increase, drag it to the edge. Okay, so you see the image is covering the pictures that we use. So again, you just go to the layer side, drag, and then drop. Yes, so it sends the background to the back of the pictures that we are using. Now let's just shift this image upwards a bit. So click, hold on Control, and then press on the other image. Then you can remove your hand and then use Shift. So you can just come, drag it up. You can just drag it up, and when you are okay, or you can hold Shift and then press the arrow keys top and down, left and right, to move it to wherever you want. So bring it down small. Okay, so if you want to be able to move them together too, you can just hold it, select again, then click on Ctrl G to group them. So I'll just rename this pictures. Then there is a background. Okay, now let's add some shape here so we can add our text in it. So come to the shape side, the tool side, and then select. So let's just use the ellipse tool. Now you drag and then, yeah, so this is okay. So click on V to change the cursor, and then drag to the side, drag. Okay, I think so. Let me reduce the size here. So I think this is okay. It's okay. So Control O, yeah, back to the normal view. So let's change the color of this. So click on FX. So to change the color, click on FX, then color overlay. It means color everything. So a color appears, we don't want that color, so you just click on the color palette here, and then you can change the color. So want to use a gray color, so, or you can just select any color from here. So let's select a color from here. So okay, now we want to add a stroke. So if you want to add a stroke, you can just click on FX, and the window that will appear, you just click on stroke, and then you can change the color. So we're using a black color, we'll just use a black color, and then you can drag here to increase the size. So you notice the stroke appearing here in your work, you've seen it here. So we just need something nice, so let's just keep it at 20. So, or you can just type 20. So we'll keep it at 20. We want it to be outside and the blend, yeah. So everything is okay. So let me see. Yes, so our work is looking good up to this point. So let's reduce the opacity of this image. Now that we've grouped them, you need to click on the drop down arrow here and then select it. Yes, so this selects the particular image you want to reduce its opacity. Now come to the opacity side, and then you can drag the arrow there. So you notice the image the opacity is reducing. So let's see, keep it around 75. Yeah, 75 is okay, or you can just type 75 and you'll be okay. Alright, now let's add some text. So you can just press T and it will change, or you can come to the tool side and click on the horizontal type tool. So I'll just press T, then you come and press where you want to insert your text. So I'll just type congratulations. congratulations. Okay, now you will notice that beneath the title bar we have lovely home. This represents all the font styles you have. Then beside it some other, and this is the to change the font size and the positioning and everything. This you can change the color of the font. You can change the color. So to change the color, you just have to select the font, then you click on the color, and then you have access to use any color you want, any color. So you can use any color, you can use any color, you can just select the color here, or you can type any color is allowed. You can just simply use any color you want in the work, or you can just type the color you want over here. So we'll just go with black for now. So click on OK. Now to change the font style, you can just select, as you've selected it, you can change the font style, any style you want. So I'll just maintain the lovely home style. If you don't have lovely home, then it means you need to go to Google and then search for fonts, and you can download the fonts. You can download and then you install. So when you are done downloading and installing, you restart your Photoshop CS6 and then it will be automatically added. So we'll just maintain it this way. So because I want to use the same font style, what I need to do is just change the cursor. I'll press V, change it, press Ctrl J. You see that the congratulations has been copied here. So you just drag it down, yes, and then press T to edit the text. So you select everything, then I'll just add the name, congratulations Ben. So it's okay. Change back to V, then move to, then you move it. So I'll just move it to the end like so. So I think it's looking nice. It's looking nice. So far our flyer is nice. So you can just write congratulations, happy birthday, happy Father's Day. You can virtually use this to wish anybody anything. You can add a logo if you have a logo. You can have anything. You can do anything that you want with it. So when you are done with your work, then you save it. You have to save it. Very important. So yeah, this is everything that you need to make a simple flyer. So thanks to you guys for watching once again, and then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.